Hi everyone. So when integrating this, you could take a substitution of u equals 1 plus x. So then u minus 1 equals to x, right? And du over dx equals to 1, meaning du would equal to dx. So you go into your question. So instead of x, I'm going to write u minus 1. Instead of 1 plus x, I'm going to write u to the power 10 dot du. So now you have to integrate u to the power 11 minus u to the power 10, right? I just expanded the brackets. So now you have u to the power 12 over 12 minus u to the power 11 over 11 plus c. So your final answer would be 1 plus x to the power 12 divided by 12 minus 1 plus x to the power 11 divided by 11 plus c. This is your final answer.